Dear learners, I welcome you all in our today's offline video lecture of class 12th information practices, and our today's topic is declaration of variables in Visual Basic 6.0. This topic is presented to you by Ankur Pandita, teacher BHSS Raguna. Now start with today's topic, how to declare a variable in Visual Basic. In every programming language, you have to declare a variable before you have to use it. There are different ways to declare a variable in different programming languages. In Visual Basic, before we use a variable, we must declare it just like other programming languages. To declare a variable, we can use the dim statement in Visual Basic. So in Visual Basic, we use dim statement to declare variables. So the way to declare variable is dim. Syntax to declare a variable in Visual Basic is dim variable name as data type. So first you will write dim for declaring variables, then you write variable name, you assign any variable name to that variable, then you write as, at last you write a data type. You have to also give the data type to the variable. So the example is dim int number as integer. So dim is a statement, int number is a variable name, as is a statement, integer is a data type. Another example is dim DEC interest, decimal interest rate, RAT rate. Decimal interest rate is variable name, as decimal is data type. So this is the syntax or way to declare variables in Visual Basic. So you have to use dim statement to declare variables in Visual Basic. Now what are the rules for naming variables in Visual Basic? So there are also rules for naming variables in Visual Basic. Variable name must be unique within scope. In the particular scope, variable name should not be repeated, it must be unique. Second, must begin with a letter of the underscore letter. Must begin with a letter or the underscore character. Variable must begin with a letter from A to Z or underscore character. It may not contain embedded spaces or many special characters. So a variable name does not contain embedded spaces or any special characters. The underscore is a valid character. May not be a reserved word. In addition, use upper and lower case with purpose. Only a variable is declared. We do not have to be concerned with upper and lower case. The editor recognizes words that are the same except for case and makes them all the same for you. It is a good programming practice in any language to use naming conventions to name our variables. In Visual Basic, the naming convention include using a prefix that identifies a variable data name. Int number, the prefix int would signify an integer. Variable dec, however, the prefix dec would signify a decimal variable. Use SNG for single and use DBL for double str name. The prefix str would signify a string variable. By default, it is required to declare variables before we use them. If we do not declare variable, an error name XXX is not declared will be reported. However, it is not syntactically required that we indicate a data type. In this class, we must declare the data type when we declare the variable. It is not a violation of the rules of the language to declare more than one variable on the same line. So you can declare more than one variable in the same line. Example of it is dim int number as integer. It is first variable. Dim dec amount as decimal, str name as string. So in this line we declared three variables: int number as integer, dec amount as decimal, str name as string. So you can declare more than one variables in a single statement. Students, this is it for today's topic, is how to declare variables in Visual Basic. So let us revise this topic till we come with more and more topics to enrich your knowledge in information practices. Students, thank you. Stay at home, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.